Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. I want to use this medium to congratulate those who have been mining Ice Coin for all this while. As of today, Ice have started distributing again. And here in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do to claim your own Ice, that is to receive it. As you can see, I have received 1,627 Ice, which is more than 15,000 Naira. And I'm going to show you everything from scratch. So all you need to do is to continue watching this video till the end. And if it's your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. First of all, we need to go to our Ice app. Alright guys, this is our Ice app, and as you can see, I've claimed my own. But before then, what you need to do is this. If you come here, you will see this option. Add your BNB Smart Chain address. You understand? And I show you in one of my videos then. So you're going to click on this option. As you can see, my own is already added. You come to this place. Okay, so guys, as you can see right here, if you click on this icon, you can see BNB's machine address. So you click on this if you have not added it. And what you are going to do now is, after clicking on this, you can see that my own is already added. In case your own is not added, let me show you how to do it now. Let me just delete my own first before I show you everything. You have to go to any of your crypto wallet. Here, I'm going to use Binance, so let's do that very fast. Okay guys, so this is my Binance. The next thing to do now is this. You are going to click on wallets down there, depending on the crypto wallet you are using. So the next thing now is, I want to, deposit. So I'll click on spot, click on deposit. It will just load and take you to this place. So you can see BNB option there. Guys, if you are using Binance, you see BNB. You are going to click on BNB. Then the next thing is, you look for network. Here you are going to select BEP20. Okay, this is BEP20, and it take you to this place. So all you are going to do now is to copy this BEP20 address, then go back to the place and paste it there. So let me do that very fast. Okay, do you see it now? So I'll come to this place now. You paste your BEP20 address here. Let me delete this one first. Paste your BEP20 address. Then the next thing is you click on confirm address. Click on confirm. And as you can see, it has been added successfully, and whenever they are distributing it, you are going to receive it in your Binance. So that's how simple it is to connect your BNB Smart Chain and start receiving the distribution. And before that, I believe you must have finished your KYC verification and including snapping of your position and other stuff. So if you have not done that, there's no way you will get it. So make sure you have done all the requirements before you're able to qualify for it. I posted it in my previous videos. I'm going to drop it at the bottom of this video so that you watch it if you have not done it before. So if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.